the incomplete dominance. Okay, in Snapdragon that teacher showed just what color is it just now, class? The Snapdragon, red, the red color. Okay, suddenly there's a pink and there is a white color. Okay, because this is a monohybrid and Snapdragon, this is a monohybrid, still monohybrid, but it is incomplete. Alright, so how to, with the aid of diagram, okay, as usual, like what you have construct before, the diagram, right? So teacher would like you to write down okay, there are two ways of writing the genotype. Okay, you can write down, okay, that means R, okay, the key R is dominant allele, okay, for red, okay, and W is recessive allele for white. Okay, so that is how you can either write WW or small, sorry class, you just write a small r. Okay, okay, if you choose to use capital R, okay, so if you choose to use capital R, meaning the genotype for white, you use the small r. Okay, so if you choose to use, okay, the C, why they use C? C means color. Okay, actually C referring to color. Okay, so allele for color, okay, RR and WW for recessive. Is it okay, class?
Okay.
Right, okay. So teacher would like you to have the idea of it. Okay, jangan pening class Actually, this is a alternative answer. Okay, if student choose. Okay, so if you choose RR, right? So RR is a red flower, or C capital C. This means a color. Because tomorrow when we discuss about the carrot, okay, they will use the symbol of this one long. Okay, that's why teacher nak you get familiar with this symbol. Okay, so gamet, remember this one you have to circle. This either one in class okay, you have to circle. Okay, or okay, so when this gamete fuse, it will produce all heterozygous, all pink. Okay, sorry. Okay, if Mendel, okay, if this is Mendel, what suppose this genotype shows, class? Kalau Mendel, the first law. In this case, if RR, Mendel said supposed to be red. Am I right? Okay. Is it correct, class? Red, because red is dominant just now.
Yes.
But okay, because this allele, this dominant allele red, okay, cannot fully express the red color. So white interfere. Okay. So white also contribute. That's why the observation for F1, kalau Mendel red, but this one divert from what Mendel proposed. Okay, suddenly it shows pink color. Alright? Okay, so now, like teacher mentioned, in plants, there is no issue if they self-cross. So when this F1 cross with F1, if Mendel, okay, in Mendel first law, you have already learned. Okay, suppose they will produce offspring F2, 3 to 1. Am I right? 3 red, 1 white. But in this case, in this incomplete cross, okay, suddenly the okay, this is gamete class gamete. Okay, O gamete. Okay, gamete O. Okay, gamete. Right? So the F2, this one, of course, when both dominant, they will show red. But when there is a heterozygous, they will show pink. Okay, and the homozygous or definitely it will show white. Okay, so this one is the same offspring, just in the way how it write down the genotype. Okay, class, why teacher introduce you with this alternative writing of genotype? Because when we discuss about dihybrid incomplete, this one is dihybrid. So this one is monohybrid incomplete, class. Okay, tomorrow morning teacher would like to discuss you about dihybrid incomplete pula. Okay, we are using this symbol. Okay, teacher prefer you all to use this symbol because when dihybrid it involve 4 allele. Okay, monohybrid tak ada masalah 2 allele kelas Okay, red and white. But when it comes to 2 genes 4 allele, kat situ nanti teacher nak you understand the concept the incomplete. Right? Okay, type K. So explain because this question is actually the essay question. Right, so teacher would like you to explain how to explain in words. Okay, so let's see how the answer the mark scheme require you to write down. Okay, the first point you must mention heterozygous. Okay, what divert from Mendel say, class? Okay, if in Mendel heterozygous meaning the dominant will always express. Okay, but in intermediate in this question is incomplete. Okay, this question shows it. Okay, just now this question is asking you to show the incomplete dominance. Okay, meaning the red color is incomplete dominance. Okay, so how to explain in words? Okay, so heterozygous display intermediate phenotype. What this sentence means? This sentence means, okay, the red color failed completely showing a phenotype. Okay, failure of gene, failure of red allele. Okay, failure of red allele to be completely show a phenotype of red. Okay, when there is a failure of dominant allele red, that's why red with white, it will show intermediate phenotype. Right? Intermediate phenotype, that is pink. That is what it means. Okay, this sentence means, okay, when heterozygous display intermediate phenotype, this means, okay, like teacher mentioned just now, are, okay, if Mendel, automatically observation is red. Am I right? But this incomplete dominance, the red allele cannot fully express the red color, right? So that's why there is an intermediate phenotype wujud, iaitu pink, right? So if you want to understand the concept behind it, okay, the dominant red allele, okay, actually supposed to be produce red pigment, and the recessive R allele supposed to produce white. Okay, but when when the sorry. Is it okay, Kak?
Okay,